All right, what's going on, folks? Mark Lux, D-Lux Motorsports. Today we got a gorgeous 2011 Ford F250 6.7 Powerstroke. You guys are going to want to stick around to the end of this video for all the details. If you guys haven't already, the bottom right hand corner of this video, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit the like, and then also make sure you click that bell to turn on notifications of when we go live and when we post more videos just like this. Again, 2011 King Ranch Ford F250 with just over 144,000 original miles. It is a fully loaded King Ranch minus a sunroof. It has factory navigation, factory heated seats, factory cooled seats, the whole 9 yards. A gorgeous truck in person. A couple small blemishes here and there. I'm going to show you guys them up close and personal so that way you guys can see them. The little trim pieces are faded, so the paint is missing on some of them. It is a little bit faded. You have a little bit of bumper damage on the very front. A couple small dents. And a couple spots where the paints came off. Other than that, the body of the truck is in fabulous shape. It's finished off in pearl white. It's maybe a little bit harder to tell right now just because the sun's not out. But it is the nice two-tone pearl white paint with tan bottom. Spray-in bed liner as well. This truck is lifted a full 6 inches on a set of 37s, 20x10s. The frame and undercarriage is absolutely immaculate. No rust issues anywhere. Like I said, again, if you watch, or excuse me, if you go to my website, delux-motorsports.com, you can see more pictures in detail, as well as more information on the truck. Doing a video. You good?
Yeah, I just seen you in the hood.
Roger, doing a video. I'm good. Thank you, bro. Anyway, if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys like and subscribe to this video and to our channel as we do post numerous lifted trucks. Again, 2011 Ford F250 6.7 Powerstroke. Little King Ranch flavor for y'all boys. Again, you can see too the lift kit was powder coated. The springs, the trailing arms were powder coated to match the factory bottom tan color on this truck. Has massive amounts of tread left. We just got done doing a full alignment. We upgraded changed out outer tie rods, tightened up the pippin arm, did some routine maintenance to it, full oil change. This truck mechanically is as nice as they come. Again, if you got any questions, call us direct, 540-898-1300. Until next time, next truck, y'all take it easy. Peace.